What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are sanding. The dog was helping me out, as y'all can see that. Anyways, we did put a little bit of sealer right here, then 2K primer, and we're sanding it, getting it ready for the colors. He's helping me out with the wing. Yeah, he sanded the whole wing right there. He sanded the whole wing. Look at that. Look, show him how to sand it. See? I told ya. Y'all don't believe me. Anyways, let me keep on sanding this and I'll be back with y'all. Okay, we finally did get done sanding. Go ahead and sand it yourself, basically. Almost done. It is 90% done. Still gotta take off the controls. Sand those. Alright, but there y'all have it. End of the day, I'm ready to go home. Till next time, peace.